Now, we knew that if we put anything after her keynote tonight, or before your party at Universal, it would have to be good. Remember when I mentioned earlier that we have a major announcement that has been in the works for a very long time? Something about making you go bananas for? I know you're excited to get to Universal tonight, but bear with me. Stick around until the very, very end. You will not want to miss it. To help me, let's get Emma, Owen, and Grace out here to help share what's coming next. What's up, guys?
Hello. Hi.
I had to bring you back up on stage. You guys are looking good. As you know, we have had many successful product partnerships with different brands over the past 15 years, like the NCAA, Disney, Lucasfilm, Marvel, Warner Brothers, the NFL, the NHL, MLB, just to name a few.
There's so many, and these relationships have allowed us to bring you some of Scentsy's most popular and beloved collections, like Harry Potter,
Ooh.
The Nightmare Before Christmas, Star Wars, and just about every princess, hero, and villain you can imagine.
We are always exploring new avenues for creating exciting new products that bring your favorite on-screen characters to life.
For one, because it's so much fun, and because it helps you reach customers that might not know about Scentsy yet, but they already love, like Scooby-Doo, or The Lion King, or Hogwarts.
Well, I have a little confession to make. It's true that it can be difficult to find a venue to hold our massive Scentsy family for SFR. But we didn't just come to Orlando for the space. We have a new license partnership to announce, one that will open the doors to even more of the characters and stories that you all love most. And this one is big. So big, in fact, that we cannot tell you about it alone. Minions! I am thrilled to announce our new partnership with NBC Universal. Which enables us to offer a collection featuring your favorite little yellow henchmen, the Minions. We are launching with an exclusive Minions Banana Scentsy Bar. It has notes that are sugary sweet and totally irresistible. Grace, how do you say that in, I don't know, Minionese?
Yabadoo? Papoy? Yum!
That sounds about right, Grace. Well done.
This banana-rific scent will be featured in a Minions Kyle Scentsy Buddy clip.
Or warm your bar in your very own Minions warmer.
If you like that, you will love this. I saved the best for last. It's everyone's favorite Minion, Kevin, as a Scentsy Buddy. Naturally, he comes with a banana scent pack.
Wow. It's not hard to clear a room around here. Let's have a round of applause for our minions, also known as Tony, Marlo, Angelica, Annie, Michaela, Jeff, Michael, Sarah, Angelica, Macy, Nate, and Phil from the Scentsy home office team. And we can't forget our very versatile banana, Jason Harwood. Wow, and let's see here. Emma, Owen, and Grace, thank you for your help. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Thank you.
The Minions collection will launch soon in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Keep an eye on your workstation. NBC Universal hasn't granted us permission to sell Minion products in Europe yet, but we are still working on that. Okay? And just like with our other licensed partnerships, there are specific guidelines that you must follow when you promote Minion products, okay? When in doubt, just contact Scentsy's compliance team and they will help you and make sure everything is legit. I hope you're excited about all the little yellow around here, are you? And especially about our new partnership with NBC Universal. Speaking of Universal, who's ready to head to the park? I actually think it stopped raining, so we are all good. Do you think you might have room in your new backpack for a new friend? You are all getting a Minions Kevin Scentsy Buddy. Which will come with the Scentsy Buddy with the banana scent pack to take to Universal. Scentsy team, bring him out. All right, Scentsy family, make some noise if you're excited about your new Minion Buddies. We are excited to see you with them in the park, which also means before you head to the buses, I want to share a few compliance reminders, simple ones, okay? We want to make sure we are great guests tonight. NBC Universal has granted you permission, all of you, to take pictures with your Kevin Buddy in the park tonight. And you can post them to promote your business. That's huge. That is big. Just make sure you're not promoting Scentsy on NBC Universal fan pages, their blogs, forums, or websites. Keep that on Scentsy's. And as always, we'll post a ton of approved assets to the marketing tab for you to use in your promotions as well. Our association with NBC Universal is important to us, and we want to make sure we do everything right in the park tonight and in the months to come. Now, are you guys ready to start celebrating? We'll see you at Universal. Let's go!